Living in Fort Lauderdale means enjoying bright sunshine, ocean breezes, and tropical beauty year-round. But it also means your home faces heat, humidity, and occasional storms that can take a toll on your windows. If your windows are aging or showing signs of wear, replacing them could make your home more comfortable, energy efficient, and secure. Here are the top signs it's time to consider window replacement in Fort Lauderdale. Rising energy bills. If your energy bills have been creeping up, your windows may be to blame. Older or poorly sealed windows let in hot air during Fort Lauderdale's warm months, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. You might feel drafts near the glass or notice uneven temperatures between rooms. Upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows with low-E coatings and double or triple panes can reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, and significantly lower cooling costs. Visible damage or decay. Take a close look at your window frames. Are they cracked, chipped, or showing signs of rot? Florida's humid climate and salty air can accelerate wood decay and cause metal frames to corrode. Even small cracks can allow moisture to seep in, leading to mold or mildew growth. If your windows are visibly damaged, replacing them with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad frames can help prevent future deterioration and protect your home from the elements. Difficulty opening or closing. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you have to force them or they stick halfway, it's a sign the frames may have warped from humidity or expansion. Faulty balance mechanisms, rusted hardware, or swollen sashes can also cause operational issues. Not only is this inconvenient, but it can be a safety hazard in case of emergencies. Modern replacement windows are designed for easy operation, often featuring smooth gliding tracks and advanced locking systems for added security and convenience. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice moisture, fog, or condensation between your window panes, it's a clear sign that the seal has failed. Once that happens, the insulating gas, often argon or krypton, leaks out, and your windows lose their energy-efficient properties. In Fort Lauderdale's humid air, this issue tends to worsen over time. Replacing these foggy windows not only restores your home's curb appeal but also improves comfort and efficiency. Outside noise infiltration. Does it sound like the traffic or neighbors are right outside your living room? That's a sign your windows are no longer providing adequate sound insulation. Older single-pane windows do little to block noise, while new double or triple pane windows with soundproofing technology can create a peaceful indoor environment. This upgrade is especially beneficial if you live near busy streets or entertainment areas common in Fort Lauderdale. Frequent condensation or drafts. Feeling a cool draft even when your windows are closed? That's a red flag that the seals have worn out or gaps have formed around the frame. You might also notice frequent condensation on the interior surface, indicating poor insulation. Replacing your windows can eliminate drafts, enhance indoor air quality, and maintain a consistent temperature year-round. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Windows are one of the first things people notice about your home. If yours look dated or don't match your home's design, replacing them can make a huge aesthetic difference. Modern Fort Lauderdale window replacement options come in a variety of styles: casement, picture, sliding, and impact-resistant designs that not only elevate your home's beauty but also boost resale value. Lack of storm protection. In Fort Lauderdale, where tropical storms and hurricanes are a yearly concern, older windows can pose serious risks. If your current windows aren't impact-rated, you're missing a crucial layer of protection. Installing impact-resistant replacement windows can help safeguard your home from high winds and debris, meeting Florida's stringent building codes and giving you peace of mind during storm season. Final thoughts. Your windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, security, and efficiency. If you're noticing any of these warning signs, it's time to contact a Fort Lauderdale window replacement specialist. Upgrading your windows is an investment that pays off through lower energy bills, enhanced protection, and improved curb appeal, keeping your home safe and beautiful in South Florida's dynamic climate.